happens to be my best friend's bakery, and we have been childhood friends. And he has started this off with his siblings, so there's a special meaning to it. So this place specializes in French desserts, and everything looks absolutely delicious. And I just can't wait to try them. But before I do that, I would like to introduce Srinivas to you, who owns this place, and he will tell us a little about these things, and then we'll go taste them. Hi Srinivas.
Hi Rupa.
Thanks for inviting me.
Pleasure to have you.
Alright, so I have given a brief introduction that your bakery specializes in French desserts, but I would want you to give us a brief introduction on what is what, so that we can have a good idea of what exactly we have here.
Sure. So these are our best-selling items. I have peanut butter cookies, which are totally vegan. They contain no milk products or dairy products, whatsoever. And this is the blondie. Blondie is a unique item that we have. People generally don't find this in Hyderabad. This is a white version of a brownie. We use white chocolate to make this. Oh, this is for somebody who is into fitness. It's a peanut butter tart which has very minimum sugar in it, and it's topped off with pistachio. And this also is one of those exotic desserts that we have. It's a French dessert called Madeleine. It's a lemon cake topped off with dark chocolate, and again garnished with pistachio.
Oh wow, so this is a plate full of healthiness, and I think any age group can easily have it.
Definitely. Kids would love the blondies, and some elderly person would probably love the peanut butter cookie with his coffee.
For sure, and I would definitely love the peanut butter tart. Yes? Yeah, it's a peanut butter tart. And I do see a beautiful plate with amazing cupcakes, and I don't know, I'm just waiting for you to introduce this to me, and then I can try it.
Definitely. This is my favorite part. I'm not so big fan of the regular stuff.
That's fine.
That's
fine.
So this is a chocolate swirl cake. We have chocolate ganache and highly dense chocolate in it. And this is our Italian dessert called bombolini, which is in fact filled with chocolate ganache again. And this is a brownie, chocolate brownie, the regular brownie, but it tastes really good. And this is a chocolate cupcake which has a very good surprise in it. When you first have a bite, you will find something amazing in your mouth, which is again filled with chocolate ganache.
That sounds exciting.
Yeah.
Well, the one that looks like a donut here is today's special, and it's called bombolini, like Srinivas said, and it's filled with ganache, and I'm pretty sure it's going to be delicious, and I can see pretty golden sprinkles on it, so can't wait to try it. Wow, so that's a plate full of awesomeness and chocolate and peanut butter, and I just can't wait to have it. Thank you.
Thank you, and I hope you like them all. And enjoy the desserts.
Thanks a lot.
Thank you. Bye.
Well, don't forget to search for the Affairé store on Instagram and like their page and support their small business. So the address of the bakery is in the description box below, and whenever you get time, do visit the store and support them.